Hey, how's it going? If you're on this page, you're curious, right? How these tools I show work or how you got here. Maybe you're interested in automation for creating YouTube channels with AI. I'll show you on my screen, no fluff. I'll turn off my camera to avoid issues, okay? Alright, camera off, this is the platform. How does it work? There are two products, right? I don't know if you bought the training. The training platform is $tube and the platform is Like Points. This is the Like Points product. What's inside Like Points? If you enter here, all this info is available. What are these details? Basically, the site is divided into three parts. The left part, which I'm minimizing now. These are the navigation menus. The central part has a search tool for any feature. And the right side shows alerts and updates on new tools, right? For example, these widgets show new tools here. These are alerts for users to fix errors and account info, like video counts and retention hours.
Informações sobre a sua conta também, quantos vídeos, quantas horas você recebeu de retenção. Quais são as funcionalidades da ferramenta? Aqui, você vai ter esse programinha aqui, Vou parar ele para você ver, Isso aqui é uso opcional, você pode usar ou não, você escolhe, mas todo mundo escolhe usar ele no final das contas, que ajuda muito, tá?
Basically, you can add more accounts here. This tool has existed since 2020, and it's now 2026 as I record this, used by thousands.
Desde 2020, nós já estamos aí em 2026, no momento que eu gravo esse vídeo, e milhares de pessoas já usam ela aí com frequência.
Basically, you'll enter your account here, hit start, and re-authenticate your Google account. It will search the internet, find keywords from members' videos, access blog links, and create a history. If you check your Google history, you'll see the sites you've accessed. Google knows where the views came from. It knows everyone's browsing history here. After you log in, you can click how many you want. I want to open 5, for example, or 4. I'll click Save and Start. Look at what it will do. It will enter this platform I'm showing you, log in, and browse the internet. To earn coins. What are the coins? It will open several browsers and log in automatically. I'll leave 3 for you to see. This works automatically. I'm not typing anything. It's typing your email because you saved it in settings. We have a tutorial on how to do everything. There's a classic YouTube activated. It will now open a search bar and start browsing. It will go through Google, Bing, Yahoo, visiting sites until it finds client videos, each browsing differently. This is for accumulating coins. Basically, it will watch videos, logging into all, reaching YouTube videos from our members. If you come here, this screen shows things happening. This person named Adriano just watched a video by someone named Meshes. This was the video watched. This one, Vinicius, just watched Jose's video. Salaf watched Anna's video. Jose Dariuto watched Camila's video. So, people are doing what I did all day, 24/7, in many places. These are our clients here, okay? One of the most interesting tools is this one. It boosts your channel's delivery, increasing positive signals for YouTube. There are videos from all niches here, all languages, so people use this massively to boost delivery. It's a well-validated strategy for 6 years now. Always with an undetectable browser, using special programming techniques for the best results, okay? This is one of the tools you'll access. Here's a side menu you can hide. And here are the other tools. How do you use these other tools? Basically, to see the tools, click this button called App Store. Click this button, and you'll see updates, the latest tools released here. Each little square is a content creation tool. Each of these, we have pagination here. You can favorite the ones you use most. For example, there's a little heart here. If I want to use this one, I can favorite it. It will appear in the Favorite Tools menu. So here are the ones I use most. But how does it work? For example, if you want, let's say you want to create a finance channel, or a channel for emotional stories, or a religious channel, or a music channel. We have tools to help you. We're not a tool sharing service. It's good to make this clear. You came here for tricks to get Google Vel 3 free, to get Sora 2 free. We don't have that. We don't sell that offer. Because that offer is a failed one. It doesn't work. You can test any market offer. It won't work. So what did we do? I created exclusive tools to help you with content creation, all within YouTube's policies. If I want Videoso, I go to Videoso. There are many tools here. Let me go back to the start. I can find everything on the platform. So, I type SEO and look at the options. SEO for playlist, SEO for video review, optimized SEO for YouTube, complete SEO for video. This is an SEO driver. Generate SEO with AI. So, extract SEO from videos.
Esse aqui é driver de SEO, gerar SEO com IA, SEO, extrair SEO dos vídeos.
And still, if I want SEO and don't want to search, I go to this SEO menu. Video SEO Extractor, SEO Turbo Dark. I'll click this and it takes me to a specific tool where I enter the video title, details about my video, and it generates a complete SEO for me. For example, how to make money on YouTube step by step using dark channels. If I want, I can add the video transcript here for better SEO. I won't do that in this case. I'll click, it will use artificial intelligence. A question people have is about AI credits. Will I have credits? Will I have to pay for AI credits? How does it work? Most tools, we have over 160 tools currently. By the time I record this video, there may be more, some may stop working. We remove and add others.
Algumas vão parar de funcionar, a gente tira, coloca outras no lugar e assim vai.
But there are many tools, as you can see. How do I fit into credit? You'll use very few credits. This is the credit you earn when you create an account. 9,972, that's 10,000 credits. Will all these tools use credits? No, not all of them will use credits. For example, this SEO tool uses your Google account, which has a daily free quota. It generated 3 titles for me, like how to earn 10,000 Brazilian reals a month with a dark channel. Secrets of dark channels, copy and paste to profit today. It generated 3 titles, an optimized description with a spot for a link, if I want ebook link, tool link, and expert tips. It also generated 3 thumbnail prompts. If I come here to a tool like this, we're also creating another great thumbnail generator. I can paste this prompt into an image generating tool, for example. The important thing is to understand that everything here follows YouTube's rules. You're not automating 100% of the process. You're automating repetitive, difficult processes, right? We need to study, do SEO, and so on. Look, 5,000 without showing up, cash in hand, graphs rising, arrows pointing at me. So it's a perfect thumbnail here with the prompt generated by an automation tool. There are 3 prompts here, YouTube ABC test. This is just the SEO tool. If I want to create images, what do? My tool creates images. It's not made for that, not an image generator, but we have menus to generate images, like ImageFX script. I'll click here to download now. This tool will open here. I have Ghibli, Pixar, fantasy, custom, vintage, horror styles here. I can customize and write here. I want a realistic style. The realistic one is already there, right? If it's 3D, anime style. I can add a style not on this list, okay? I'll choose realistic, for example. Or better, custom. There are these dark channels that make stories, see? One of them, see? An address just for you to test the tool. This site-like tool, if I click Extract Subtitles, it gives me the video transcript. I had a video without a transcript, and the tool didn't find it. I'll grab another one that has a transcript here. So, I have a narrative here. I can paste it in a notepad or here, paste the narrative here, Sonic something. Put it like this, photos in a 3D Sonic universe, I'll click vertical, then generate story. It will take my request, Sonic universe, right? It will create images that make sense for each vertical portrait close-up. He smiled a classic error, so his cynical smile, Sonic ran too confidently, too confident running. Close-up, vertical, portrait, ele sorriu, erro clássico. Então, sorriso cínico dele. Sonic correu confiante demais. Tá confiante demais correndo. A trap appeared out of nowhere, a trap. So it will illustrate the script for you. Imagine doing this and thinking about what to put in each scene of the prompt. That's complicated. I'm using a free API here, so you don't need to set up an API. You don't need to go there. Where do I get the API? No, you just click the link and use it. Done. There is no API. It's just a tool to ease your content creation. And all the images here, you can regenerate. I didn't like that. You can regenerate it. He's creating a a short for me that could go viral, get millions of views, literally, because it's a quality short, with a quality script. And here he created everything from the Sonic universe that fits the script. I can click a button after he makes the images. He made all the high-quality images for me using Nano Banana Pro. No watermark, nothing, look. Anyone can use this with a Google account. You just need a Google account. No API setup, no credits to buy, none of that. You just click, paste your script, and you'll get it exactly as I'm showing. This is an image tool that helps you generate images. You don't have to use this one. There are other options. For example, we can come here. We have the extension that automates processes in Google Whisk. I'll click here in Google Whisk, open the tool generating the images, and download all now.
Tá gerando as fotos para mim, ó. Vou baixar todos agora, baixar todos. Ele vai fazer download de todos, meu. Permitir, ó. Vai fazer um metralhador de download, ó. Tá vendo? Todas as imagens do Sonic eu já tenho ali.
I'll take 3 of these prompts just for you to see. Here in Google Whisk, I'll click the extension, Ctrl-V, and paste the prompt here. I'll skip a line, take the second one, Ctrl-V, and paste the prompt. You don't have to do it manually, okay? This can also be done with automation. Ctrl-V. Alright, I'll set it to vertical, go back to Google Whisk, and click to access Google Whisk. So, I'll click here, Run. It will automatically create the images for me too. On the Google Whisk site, which is free, no API payment, no API setup, no need to do anything. You just need to add a small extension to your browser. There are tutorials teaching step-by-step within the platform. Similarly, we have one that automates Google ImageFX, which is also free, letting you create high-quality photos. Look, it created Sonic for me here. I'll take the same prompts, put them in Google ImageFX for you to see. ImageFX, Ctrl-A, Ctrl-V. I just put the prompt separated by a line break. Each line break means a new image you want. I'll do vertical again and press here. It will start writing the prompts for me to do. Similarly, we have Meta AI like points. I can click to access Meta, upload a photo I created, okay? Now I can Ctrl-V, paste the prompts here. I'll animate automatically and create. It will first paste the prompt, make the image, download it, put it in my folder, paste the prompt, make the image, download it, put it in my folder. So I don't need to do it manually. It's all a process to make your content creation easier. He said it can't generate due to Meta's policy, because it has Sonic. Sonic has copyrights. Google was supposed to block it too, but didn't. So if it didn't work on one, it works on the other. You saw that the other tool that makes scripts already did all for me. I can illustrate an entire short here. Here in my folder, if you look, there are all the Sonic photos, see? Look, it downloaded high-quality images of Sonic, all really high quality. Good photo, high quality, no watermark or anything. So, making sense for the script, it did it in the right order, see? Scene 23, scene 22, scene 21, scene 24. Just sort by name, right? Sort by name, it will arrange it in the right order for you. Just put the photos in a separate folder. Done, you have all the Sonic Dark Channel photos. We have the same thing to generate. As I said, there are many images here, many generate audios. We also have human neural narrator. If I take the same script I put there and paste it in a notepad, we have more than one neural narrator, okay? There's not just one. I'll paste the script in Notepad, save it as Sonic script, and come here. As I said, you have a favorites system, you can add your most used favorites to avoid searching. I'll upload here download Sonic script, I'll choose a voice, I can paste engaging storyteller, I'll generate the audio with this standard voice. There are many voices here for you to use. It starts narrating for me with free AI. Your free account will have an API set up automatically, no configuration needed. Free account I mean is Gmail. See, there's a Gmail here, right? I mean, gmail.com. This Gmail here, right, formlegosterto.com. It has a free API and I have several others, see? All of this I can use free API. So, you can do the same with Chrome's user system. These are hacks no one tells you when making a dark channel. Look, 42 seconds estimated, just as short. Sonic ran too confidently. He smiled. Classic error. A trap appeared out of nowhere. He braked at the last moment, very close. Eggman watched, laughing. So as you saw, it's high-quality voice. We have professional news, whispered, ASMR, animated, energetic, calm, meditative. Dramatic, intense, podcast, tutorial, and more, okay? Empathetic, support, I don't know. So, there are various voice types to use. Similarly, if I want to create scripts, I can come here, Scripts. I have several tools that create specific scripts, like for VSL videos, sales videos. I have a tool ready to create VSL videos. This tool here, when you click it, opens up. Then you can paste your idea here. My product is about weight loss, healthy recipes, and such. It will generate, for example, an app or website that creates healthy recipes with one click.
Mobile que gera receitas saudáveis com clique.
And it also has a collection of recipes and menus for all purposes.
Cardápios prontos para todas finalidades.
Kids, weight loss, gain muscle, quit sugar.
Ganhar massa, sair do açúcar,
etc. So I put the base here. What is it? I will put generate ideas. It will use artificial intelligence. This one uses credits, but very few credits. I used 2 credits out of the 10,000 I had to make the synopsis. Personalized healthy recipes app is open. I can take this as the VSL briefing if I don't like any of these. I will click generate. It will create the VSL topics for me. These topics will narrate and create a big VSL script for me. So it's creating here, this is the topic, based on what I wrote. I will click generate topic. This is the synopsis, like a movie synopsis, based on what I asked. And now I will generate topics. These topics are all created here, based on VSL concepts. I've put several VSL techniques in the code and I'll click auto-sequential. It will start generating a sales VSL video for the app product. Remember that time, starting with Storytell to grab attention, IDA, for those who know, it's a process to attract attention. You spend hours planning dinner just to see your child give up and ask for a snack. This frustration is more common than you think. The worry about your children's diet, etc. So he made a VSL focused on the audience for me. I'll even use this VSL here because it's really good. He's making a long script for me, see, of 3,000 words. He's done 935 already, see. Soon he'll do a bit more, see, 1,115. Can you imagine writing a 3,000-word script that makes sense, well-studied, with mental triggers specifically for sales, right? This one isn't just for sales. This is just an example. It's the sales one I'm showing you, see? He made 1,475. He'll make up to 3,000 words. That's what I chose here, see? 3,000 words. And this script is saved. I can generate its title. I can generate SEO optimization. Let it get ready. I'll generate it for you to see. You can make dozens of other scripts here too. I'll show others while he does that. I want scripts for exciting stories. I have a whole tool ready for exciting scripts. Here are the scripts I've made, and here create exciting stories. It opens on another screen like that, but not the same. See? This is the VSL, a professional VSL generator. Not this one, this is the exciting narrative generator. They handle mental triggers and content creation differently for retention. So it's totally different. Can I generate the title here? I'll generate the title too, with AI. Turn your meals into healthy, practical recipes for your family. I didn't like it. Want to try another? Want to try another? It generates another one for me. Turn your kitchen into healthy recipes. Or I can generate the SEO too. Click here. What is SEO? SEO is hashtags, keywords, search engine optimization, see? Everything here looks nice. So, I generated my VSL. I can save it and have it in my saved scripts. VSLs created. I'll click here. When I want to use this VSL for narration, turn it into a healthy recipe. Here it is. I'll click on the magnifying glass. Here it is. With one click, I copy it and paste it into the SEO copy software, idea copier, or script copier. I'll copy the script and put it in that narration tool. I'll have the VSL narration. So in a minute, or 10 minutes, you made a VSL that would take you 2 days. Because it's designed to be a VSL. Same thing here. But this one is for emotional stories. This one is already set up for emotional stories. For example, this is my other tool that gave this notification. I want intense romance. I want first-person intense romance. In other words, I did this, I did that. It's like the person telling the story, or a narrator telling the story. First person works well with emotional stories. Story context. The woman was a maid and had a relationship with the homeowner. Then you click to generate a synopsis. It will generate a script of 2,000 words, 5,000 words, 8,000 words, 10,000 words. To do that in a GPT chat, my friend, it's a lot of work, you know? But everything is thought out, validated, based on channels that work in this world of exciting stories, I guess. Synopsis among shadows of the house. I don't know what. Made the synopsis. I'll click on which language I want. Language is good. The language I want. English, Spanish, French, all the most used languages on YouTube. I can do it in any language. I'll set it to Portuguese in Brazil to show you how the topics look. Then it divides the synopsis into topics and keeps writing. It will be 2,000 words long. Look at first glance, exploring TLE, growing admiration, sharing dreams. Do you see? It's here. It will narrate each of these things and weave it all into one script. You'll have an exciting story here. We also have scripts for any other niche, called master scripts. This master scripts, when you click it, you click to create a script. It looks like those tools, but it's a different tool. It's made to generate scripts, for example, about curiosities. Curiosities about places, curiosities about stars. War stories, geography stories, dinosaurs, those kinds of things. So you can make scripts about anything. Just ask it here. Here is your EPT chat. You ask, and it generates ideas. For example, how the T-Rex survived. Start generating ideas. It will give content ideas for us to create the synopsis. After I click generate, it's processing. Just wait. You can see I hardly spent any credits. They renew automatically, so you won't run out easily. I created a huge script and spent 30 credits. It generated an analysis of T-Rex hunting techniques. Paleontology reveals their diet. I'll click to generate a synopsis. It will create a big script for me. Same system, different style. I'll click back on the panel. I won't use the script, so I'll click on this home here. Many people are confused about what all this is. Notifications of new tools, ToolMaker, thumbnail creation, Whiskey generator, tags and hashtags. This one generates hashtags for you. Viral lyrics creates viral song lyrics. If I click here, it takes me to that part. What is viral lyrics? Generate viral song lyrics, model famous song lyrics for music channels. You can take a famous song, and it will model it, creating new lyrics to avoid plagiarism and copyright issues. And that famous song likely has something validated, right? So it will gather everything for you, giving you the prompt to use in the music-generating AI tool. We even have a tool that generates music. Create music with AI. I wrote music. There are various tools here, like music prompts, music search, royalty-free music, download categories, music packs to download. We have a lot of things on the platform. Create music with AI. It will take you to this tool. Lightpoints Music Generator. This is the Lightpoints Music Generator. It has a tutorial on how to use it. If you click here, it takes you to where you customize, input your request, and create the song lyrics. You can input instrumental music, music of various types here, okay? We also have one that generates music to return to the panel. There's always a button at the top to return to the panel, taking you back to our dashboard. I stopped here at the script section. We have the prompts section. I always show these prompts on my channel. They're prompts to model successful YouTube channels. There are various types here, okay? There will always be a video, time for growth, for example. I click here, we have a tutorial here. What is time for growth? This video shows what it is. It has perfect prompts for you to generate. You click here, night habits, narrative license, a 12-minute video, and I'll leave it generated. I'll click generate. It generated a prompt. This prompt, if I copy and paste it into Grok or ChatAPT, for example, I'll put it in Grok here to check. Control V. I won't even read the prompt, it'll generate a validated script for me, a validated narrative like Time for Growth, which you probably don't know, but it's a hot channel on YouTube. It's still in English here because I have languages. It's in English here. If I ask for Portuguese, it would do it in Portuguese. If I ask for Spanish, it would do it. So, you press a button, and you get validation from a channel that's doing great on YouTube, like those exercises in the background. Do you see its little picture? So, the prompts here, I'll go back to the system. The prompts have prompts for everything. Viral shorts, we need to click here, and there are various types of viral shorts that work on YouTube. You generate prompts with one click here on these viral shorts. Prompts for everything, prompts for scripts. Remember I told you that you don't need to do prompts one by one, that becomes manual work. Our goal is to automate processes. I'll copy here, Control-C, that Sonic story. I'll do Control-V, high-quality 3D Sonic-style images. You can put any script here. Specify what you want. Here you can choose high-quality, realistic images. I won't select vibrant cartoon style. I'll choose historical anime, more anime cartoon, like this, high-quality 3D. Then how many images do I want? I can put 15. I click generate, and it makes 15 specific prompts for my script, divided, ready for me to use automation. I can come here, copy, go to that automation I showed you, one of them, the Meta one here. Okay, it's still downloading from Meta. I need to stop. It made a bunch of videos for me. I'm talking to you, and it's making all the Sonic images for me, but I can come here, pause this thing, do Ctrl-A, Ctrl-V, Ctrl-V, and generate. He'll start generating for me now with that vibe. So you generate prompts automatically too. Everything comes here in the tool, in the menus. I clicked on prompts, script prompts, see? Script prompts. Video generator, these use API. Video generator because it's expensive, right, to generate video. So we can generate videos with API. We have a free meta here. It's the extension I showed you. What uses the API? It's the script for videos, ByteDance, but it's cheap, the cheapest on the market, set up for you to generate. There's a tutorial teaching how to use it, but the meta is free. You can use it all day for free. Converting MP4 are local tools. You'll never spend credits on them. No API needed. No limitations. I'm starting a channel now that I need to illustrate, right? For example, desert. Desert. I hit enter. I hit enter. I click this button here. If it has the keyword desert, it will find me many desert videos. If it doesn't, it won't find anything. Because of Portuguese, right? Usually, the tools that bring these videos. See how many videos I find here, huh? Drone video, sea, boat, farm, I don't know, you can. I wrote desert. Look, now it worked. Look at all the desert he found here. Desert video. But I have to download them one by one. Too much work, not worth it. Yes, it is. Look. I hope to download them all. He will download all the videos for you with one click. You type the keyword you want, he finds 20, 30 videos on that topic for you. You can randomize them all, make cuts. We have a tool, by the way, that cuts downloaded videos from these sites, these video systems. This one is all copyright-free videos, okay? For you to use, illustrating the channel. 10 seconds, 10 seconds, 9 seconds, 28 seconds, and so on. You'll see he'll download like a machine gun for you, here, videos without copyright, for your edits. Look how cool. It's downloading a lot. I'm filling my folder with stuff. I did the Sonic thing, did the audio, the narration. I already have a video, an audio, and several sequential images that make sense with the audio. Done. I have a short video in, I don't know, 3 minutes I made it. And the script is validated. We have a script creator there too. This one was the meta that downloaded old videos. We have tools here to cut, for example, Turbo Cutter. I think it's this one, Turbo Cutter. What does the Turbo Cutter do? He will take these tools, these videos, and chop them into pieces. For example, how many videos are these? There are 29 videos. 29 videos can become 500 clips of 3, 6, 9, 12, or 14 seconds. Then you can illustrate, to keep it dynamic, with a button that randomizes everything. It creates a new order of pieces for your video illustration. To create content where the narration is key, right? But there needs to be something that makes sense in the background. If you're talking about a desert, you show the desert. And chop and mix it. So we have tools for that too. We have the Dark Machine. Dark Machine does many things. There's a video here teaching about it. It makes cuts, mixes, randomizes, and edits. You put a folder full of videos and an audio. It assembles everything with transitions. It's a video editor, right? It does many things here in Machinidar. When you need to cut multiple audios to find silence, it does that for you. Audio silence. It combines media with audio. Creates video with narration. Creates media. Manages media for you to add. Adds overlay, narration, video subtitling. So there are several things. Mass transcriptions, thumbnail, SEO. So it does a lot for you, the machine. The Dark Machine can be heavy for your computer. So you have these things in other tools. As I said, the tools have favorites. Click here on favorites, find the ones you use most, and add them. Then you'll have just the ones you favorited, see? Only the ones you favorited. Here in the tools world, we have 170 tools. 160, 107, depending on the day you buy. The access. Then you favorite it. Are you using Time for Growth every day? Click here. What is Time for Growth? It's a tool that... I don't know what it is. What is it for? How do I know what it does? You click on it. There's a video here teaching what it is, how to use it, what it's for. So I'll have a video explaining. We have the secret channels area. What is the secret channels area? We have viral videos that recently gained views. Viral channels that people found. Channels to model, see what they do, copy. Viral videos with views, video score, earnings per CPM, engagement rate, recent views, usually recent videos, 10 days, 9 days, 10 days, 12 days. There's this tab for viral videos and secret channels. We also have channels. I want channels for. I want channels for something else. Click on another category. There's the AI library area. The AI library area has sites with AI for you to use, often with free quotas. You have a ton of options here. Sites many people don't even know are here for you to access and create. We have the downloads area. The downloads area is full of downloads for you to use here. There are millions of downloads. We have the articles area. I also share internet links, free books, ebooks, WhatsApp automation bots, daily hacks to create, share content, teach, learn, and chat with people.
Onde você pode compartilhar conteúdo e também ensinar, aprender, conversar com as pessoas.
We're even doing a chat now for creating conversation groups. There are communities too. I created this community to share free tools from my channel. This one even has an Android app for you to download on your computer or Android phone, not iPhone. Click here to install the app like Facebook to check updates. Our tool also allows installation on mobile to view online tools. Some work on Windows only, but many work online, like the script tool I showed. We have an area called VIP hacks, dark classes.
De Windows não vai funcionar no celular, mas como são muitas funcionam online, como a de roteiro que eu mostrei, ela funciona online. A gente tem a área chamada Hacks VIPs Aulas Darks, né?
Click here for mini courses teaching monetization tricks, content creation, and more. So there are many here. There's an area called CoinFlix. It's similar to VIP hacks, but all hacks VIPs are created by me. I create the tricks and hacks with my experience. The CoinFlix area has other hacks from students, community members, purchased courses. It has everything: Shopee, Facebook, Instagram, Dropmaster, tool downloads, voice cloners, deepface for face swapping. So there are a lot of hacks here too.
Deepface, né, que troca face swap, né, que troca a face das pessoas. Então tem monte de hacks aqui também.
You don't have to pay these prices, okay? They are prices for those without access to these things. Depending on the plan you buy, you'll access more or fewer hacks, tools, all of them, okay? Smaller plans have less access, but still many things to access. This engagement area is where you register your videos, from that tool I showed earlier. This one, you register your videos in the panel, not in the tool. It just opens and runs here. It generates coins. Did you know I have 35,000 coins? People who watch my videos spend my coins. Those who let the tool run earn coins. So every time someone comes here, they spend my coins, and I keep earning. I never run out. This is the AI credit. It's just a script tool. Basically, you'll use this one. Script, song lyric generation, those things that create large text, okay? Although music generation creates tiny text. Here are the facilitators. For example, I want to do complete SEO for a video. I click here, grab a video from my channel, copy the title, paste it here, generate content, and look, in a few seconds, it will deliver SEO content for me, dark faceless channel, monetize quickly on YouTube, easy guide for beginners.
Daqui a alguns segundos ele vai entregar para mim conteúdo para mim fazer SEO lá. Canal Dark sem rosto, monetize rápido no YouTube, guia fácil para iniciantes. Aí, ó.
So I press a button here, copy, and here's my SEO to use on YouTube. We have everything here, prompts, thumbnail. Create thumbnail prompts. I'll click here. And look, I'll take this same thing here. I'll remove this rocket and generate with AI. It will generate prompts for me to make a thumbnail. Faceless channel. I'll copy. I'll use a thumbnail generator. We have it too, okay? Thumbnail generator tool. I'll generate here. It has my photo. This one is set to show my photo. That's why I'm using this one, the gem of. By the way, I teach how to do this, okay? If you don't know, just paste a prompt and your photo appears. In the VIP hacks, there's a lesson on this. But it's really simple, no secrets here. Just need the prompt, see, monetize fast, see, money, me, in colorful clothes, vibrant background. If you don't want, I can tell him to change things. So he generated the perfect prompt for me with subtitles. So I have everything here, okay? I have, like, tags. It opens the tool, which video teaches to use it. I click download now. It takes me to the site, and I put that title, The Faceless Dark Channel, something for beginners. I'll generate the tag. It'll use free AI for you, see? Fast Dark Channel, copy, I'll paste it, hashtag is here. So he generated all this for me too. So there are all possible facilitators. I forgot to make the back button for the panel. Just type admin here, okay? There are so many tools to use, we forget details. On this homepage, if you scroll down, you'll see a lot of information, but it's basically a summary of everything. Summary of the most used tools or new ones. Over here, announcements. Announcements on how to open multiple Gata coins. People want to open several. Summaries of tools. Generate AI copy. SEO for video reviews. Create a prayer. If you work with prayer, you must go to Create VSL, Create Prompt, Modify Video Bank, Image Bank. What is an image bank? Click here. These are copyright-free image banks. You come here, type here, cars, right? I'll click generate. Look at that. With one click, I have all these car images here for my edits. I'll click to download all. Look, download machine, see? It downloaded everything for me. It's all in my folder here. I downloaded 10 images with one click. I can type truck, right? There, trucks. So, with one click, you have everything you need. Here are the summaries, as I said. Information about your license, when it expires, etc. Here in the middle, as I was saying, I'll click home here. You always go back home here, okay? Featured conflicts here. These are new on conflicts. These are highlights from like points. These are the most accessed. These are included in your plan. If you go to tools, I don't know which tool is available for me or not. Sometimes you bought the cheaper plan, some are available, others aren't. You can put here, included in your plan. Here are all that are here, guaranteed to be in your plan. So you won't have a problem with that. This is valid for CoinFlix, for RackSwipe too. Everything here is in my plan, see? Tools from the plan, see? So we have a lot here at like points. This is like points. If you buy, for example, here with $2, this also boosts our training on Hotmart. Here, if you want to see the tools, click here on tools and here are videos teaching me about it. How each one works. Done and so on. Clicked on the tools. I want this one. You click, there's a video that teaches. So, all three here, you have access to our YouTube training, plus the tools. For how long? For 3 months of the tool, 6 months of the tool, 10 months of the tool. This one is the master, everything available in it. This one doesn't have all the CoinFlix, but has all the tools. This one has all the tools, but not all the hacks and zips, nor all the CoinFlix. It's 3 months, 6 months, 10 months. This one costs $157 a month. So that's over $1,570, plus the course at $297, $397, depends on the plan. Those combos there, okay? So, by buying those combos, you get... Now, if you buy the $50 plan, you'll get what's in it. Let me show you here. The $50 plan is here. What's it saying there? No VIP hacks, dark channel creation tricks, growth included in CoinFlix. There's 56. You see that 205 exists. Included in tools 109. There are 159 active now. This changes a lot, because some tools I take offline. Because they stopped working, I have to change, improve. Others I put online. Because they're new, I fixed some old ones that went offline. So this number changes all the time. But today there are 159 active tools, okay? And that's the platform. Any questions, just ask here on this WhatsApp button.